Day 70 of the rest of my life. 70 days ago, I quit my corporate job to pursue my passion of starting our successful clothing brand MUEL and showing you that when you align your passions with your purpose, everything and anything is possible. Today is a very special day, and I want to share this moment with you guys. My very first, let me just show you. Why not, all right? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let me set this camera up, bring these boxes upstairs, and show you guys what we got. As you guys can see, we got our first batch of bulk tees in. And this is a very special day. What we got here is a style that is gonna complement this mascot tee that I have on, and it's going to replace for the better. So I want to compare and contrast the mascot tee blank to what we have here and show you why I went with this specific blank tee and also what this day means to me. So first, let's go over what we got in. So we got 110 blank tees from Alpha Broder. And it was a bit of a process because I had a credit hold on my account. I didn't have my business information straight. I didn't have all the information that I needed, such as my business ID, to order the shirts, so they put a hold on my account, and I had to call them up and get that off and get that resolved. And then I went and placed the order over the phone to start building that relationship with Alpha Broder and with their customer service department, so they know who I am and become more trustworthy and also be able to get those discount prices. So when you guys go and place your order for blank tees, make sure you call them up and ask them for a quote for how many you need. She told me that for this specific shirt, I needed to order 250 to get that discounted price. Next time I want to make sure that I take advantage of that quote and get the discounted price. I got these for $387. $387 for small to extra large, and then double XL was $519. Not amazing, but lower than what we were going for before. The mascot tee that I currently have on was closer to $5, and it was because of the certain brand that it is. And I'll show you what brand this is, and I'll show you what brand that is. So the reason why these original 24 were premium is because they were this brand here called Shaka Wear. And Shaka Wear is a well-known blank manufacturer. They also have their own line of clothing with their own logos on it. But as you can see, this tag is very, very thick, and it's not able to be torn off and put my own branding, such as the branding we have here, as easily. You would probably have to cut this off and there would still be some residual tag left on here. So that was one disadvantage of using these Shaka tees. Yes, it is very, very heavy, and it's very, very trendy right now because it is an oversized, heavyweight, streetwear, boxy fit, and the print does go well onto this shirt. It does transfer well, but it is very expensive. Some things that I did really, really like about these premium mascot tees, and there are some left, get them while you still can, is this collar. So this collar here is very, very thick. It's very durable. I washed this shirt about 4 or 5 times, washed and dried inside out 4 or 5 times, and the design is still popping. Every time I wash it, it seems to blend even more in. When I first got it, it was very new and it had that new print look, but as time goes on and the more and more washes I do, it's starting to really like blend very, very well. And this is the back, win from within. Make sure we all win from within today. That's all we can control is this very moment. So win right now in this moment. Go do something that pushes you closer towards your purpose and helps you achieve the goals that you set out for yourself. So those are some advantages of the Shaka Wear tee. Very nice fit. And I'm looking to get these designs onto our new shirts, but in a way that maximizes profit and uses the black as negative space so we can save on printing and save on ink and save on setup costs and save on screens and etc, etc. So those are some advantages of the Shaka Wear tee. So what we ordered in bulk, we ordered 110. We ordered American Apparel 1301. I got this blank idea from my mentors who have already tested out these blanks and know the quality and know the pricing and know that this is a good bang for your buck and is also a good quality blank for your customers. So I got that idea, or I got that design code or blank code from them, from their manufacturing ebook, and it is a very, very nice shirt. This is the extra large right here. It's nice and oversized, which is gonna make this a very, very nice shirt to wear with jeans, have that streetwear look. It's boxy. It still has the essence of that Shaka Wear tee, but it's also a little bit more breathable. So you can wear this to the gym and not have to worry about, you know, that sweat just sticking to you. It still has that breathable element, and it also has tags that can be torn off. So that is a major, major, major plus. I can just rip these off easily without worrying about the stitching being torn off with it, and then put that win from within print right in there. Pricing compared to the Shaka Wear, about almost $3 cheaper. And I got free shipping because I ordered in bulk. Looking to get the taxes taken off. My tax certificate hasn't come back. It's expected to come back in the next couple of days or so, but I wanted to hurry up and get these shirts ordered and then worry about taking off the tax and collecting tax later. So I'll submit that tax form and then get these shirts tax-free for my next orders. But I'm super, super excited to have these in. Super excited. This XL is pretty big too. I don't know if this is double or what, but let's try these on and let's see what the quality is. Let's see what it's feeling like. I want to take this collar shirt off so I can feel it on my skin, and let's see what we're working with. I do like that the collar is very thick, similar to that Shaka Wear tee. It has that thick ribbed, nice effect to it. Let's see what it feels like on the body, and let's give you guys a review. I'm gonna do a size large so you guys can see what it looks like. I'm 6'1", 5'11", and I'll also put the sizing chart up there, but you can use this as a comparison to pick your mascot tee version 2. And this is the shirt that we're going to be running with. So I'm super, super excited to show you this and to show you the fit of our new blanks, and then go talk to the screen printer about what we're going to put on it. So let's put on a large and let's see how it fits. Let's do a review. All right. I don't want to get any deodorant stains on there, so let me be extra, extra careful. Ooh, this shirt's feeling good. Alrighty. Nice. Nice. This is nice. Ooh, you guys are gonna love this. It has that oversized, ooh, kind of giving drop shoulder. Is it? Yeah, I think it's a drop shoulder. So it's kind of, the stitching allows it to hang off the shoulder and making the sleeves longer. It's very soft. I like it. Let me back up a little bit. Give you guys a look real quick. oversized fit, perfect for streetwear, perfect for working out. When you're getting that pump in, I want my athletes and the people who go to the gym who want that oversized fit to go maybe a size up, just so it could be a pump cover for you if that's what you're going for. And then people who are going for more chic, not too oversized, I want you to stay at the size that you are normally at, because it is an oversized fit. So make sure you guys take that into account. It's very nice. The colors are nice and dark. The black compares well to the mascot tee. It is a little bit thinner, but perfect for working out and perfect for going out on the town and looking stylish, and pairing it with the J's, pairing it with some basketball fits, you know, working out in it, but also being able to wear this stylishly out on a date and look fly as shit. And I can't wait to send these out to my favorite influencers and the people who have made a major impact on this journey. I want to cut this video short and get right to work. I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I'm going to edit this video. I appreciate you. I'm going to do some B-roll of me folding up the shirts and packaging them up. I also have something to tell you guys. I'm going to be making a move, so stay tuned for a little bit of a, not an emotional vid, but a vid that is going to, you know, introduce the mascot tee version 2, but also talk about what I've been going through and talk about our next steps moving forward. So stay tuned for that. Going to be making a major change as far as wherever you're going to be running the business from. So you're definitely not going to want to miss the update, because it affects our community, and it affects me, it affects you, and it affects the second version of the mascot tee. So stay tuned for a video today or tomorrow where I'll be getting this stuff ready to go where it's going to go, whether that's going to be here in a screen printer or somewhere else. But make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate you. I love you. Make sure you win from within today, right now. Go win. Go do something that pushes you closer towards your purpose and your passions, and let's do it. Let's win from within today. Let's win from within tomorrow. Let's win from within the next day. But most importantly, let's win from within right now. Thank you.